Welcome to our video on essential resources for surveying and mapping using drones. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, these resources will elevate your skills. First, let's dive into some must-read books. Surveying and Mapping, a Guide for Drones by David J. Mays offers a comprehensive overview of drone-based data collection. For those interested in 3D modeling, Drone Mapping, a Guide to Drone Mapping, Surveying, and 3D Modeling by Michael Sweeney is a fantastic resource. Podcasts are another great way to stay updated. The Surveying and Mapping podcast covers a wide range of topics, including the use of drones for data collection. The Drone Surveyor podcast focuses specifically on practical tips and best practices for drone surveying and mapping, perfect for hands-on learners. YouTube also offers valuable content. Check out Drone Mapping 101 by DJI for an introduction to drone-based data collection and processing. For software tools, Pix4D and Drone Deploy are excellent platforms for creating 3D models and maps from drone-collected data. They are user-friendly and highly effective. Lastly, consider taking courses like Surveying and Mapping with Drones on Udemy or LinkedIn Learning. These courses provide in-depth knowledge and practical skills.